is now balanced, so the element's coming into play here. 25 trying to sneak a peek, get in the wheel. It's the 21, so 2-4, 2-1, 1-5. On that outside, trying to get that drive through that group, still out in front. Now riders coming out of that second straightaway here, and the battle, the dogfight through that section, 24-15. So Sean Felipe got Shane right there. All three riders in a tight battle. One mistake, a rider might capitalize. Darlo, though, trying to navigate. Scott's to go. 15, Felipe through the dirt jungle right now. This thing has no asphalt whatsoever. All that buried and thrown out to sea. Getting it done, 24. So Darlo now extending a bit of a lead, coming through that double jump into that final table. And it's going to go the 24 rider. Sean Felipe and Shane Felipe grabbing that tray spot.
Ready, watch the game.
Here we go, Hole Shot Snap. It's going to grab the Amsoil Hole Shot Award 357, now known as the 54. It's got some company, 340 95, trying to press them buttons. Round that first turn, couple riders entering inside line, going to hit some of that sauce stuff. Out there, though, Flatout just making way. Rider getting squirrely. So coming up, actually over clearing one of the sections. And Delventhal in that 2 spot with some company. Panergo through that section to see how it goes. Still Panergo trying to make a move there. 95, 340, that battle for that 2 spot. Now tightening up. Flatout out there, so Flatout just keeping it alive there. Survived the sections, got a commanding lead. Panergo, though, knows right now, digging deep, trying to make a move. Shooting that inside, not able to get there in time, but a rider going wide here. Rider following that line, so not able to make a move there. And Panergo sitting in that tray position is going to round it up, using some of that momentum. Drag racing across the line is going to go Delventhal with the deuce.
Riders ready, watch the game.
Coming down, Nuclear Cowboys Hole Shot gonna go just like that. And it looks like your rider grabbing the snaps, your double one, your S-squared rider out there. Now Worrell slipping into a 2 position, bringing with him Alice Horner in. So sitting right there, all 3 riders now heading to the front of the field, coming up and over that first set of double jumps, now rhythming through the next set. Looks like that battle, bringing it to you, is going to come all the way down to that final sprint race. Who's got the energy? And it's the Warriors sitting in the middle. Alice Sornerin coming strong here. Kainalu finding that pump, and Kainalu just jettisoning out there. So through that section, Kainalu opening up some breathing room out in front. Rider just trying to check on through. Business as usual. Your 1-1 rider, and Kurashige going to chalk it up, grabbing the main event for the beginner of the year is going to go the 2-place finisher of Worrell and Alice Sornerin.
Riders ready, watch the game.
Gate snap, putting power down on that inside lane. No, finding a way side by side. And Aslar's got some company left and right. These guys shooting, looking for a line. Aslar getting the groove here. Gonna run them high. Bubba not dropping down. Gonna use some of that momentum. But Aslar checking out right now with some company. Here we go. Let's see what happens. How bad does Bubba want this move? And Bubba's got to get in the groove. He's got some company pressing. So Hirata right there, and Gano Hirata, but still running a good battle. And Aslar picking up where he left off, headed around that final turn. And it's Benjamin right now still on fire. So coming through is going to double it up, and Aslar's going to put it in the book there, grabbing the 1 spot. Moniz in the deuce. Your tray position, Hirata in the 4 spot, going to go to Engano.
Riders ready, watch the game.
Snap, lock, low, go. Rider finding it out there, going to put the power down. All 3 riders side by side, so an elbow within bump here. Now trying to separate through that field. Kalia diving and taking it through. Nowhere to go go here. Ryder going to slide back. So Monantom sitting in the tray spot. Going to battle. It's got to be your 42 Ryder. Looking the point right now. Andrews out in front. It's got Kalia breathing right now. The Express trying to find a way here. Looking for answers. These guys shopping through the Walmart specials. Going to download. Trying to find a good music site that hasn't been shut down through the SOPA. And I'm losing a lot of good places to get illegal movies. I meant legal movies. So if you know a good spot where I can find some streaming, let me know. Andrew's on fire, taking it, wired on there. Kalia with some company, gonna take it through that stripe. So gonna go Andrews, Kalia.